welcome back. I will be unboxing my Ipsy and Birchbox. And we'll do Birchbox. I got a Catherine Maladrino Style de Paris perfume. It's in a vial with a like that. You dab it on you. It's a musk. It smells like a musk. It's not bad. I don't know if it's something I would personally purchase a full size of, but as a sample, that's good. Let's see what else. This is by Make. It's face gloss. It's sticky and supposed to give you some kind of sheen or make it look like you're glowing, but I don't enjoy it. That's something I definitely would not purchase, something I didn't enjoy. I tried it. It's like putting lip gloss on your face. It's not something I'm doing. And then I got the E-Salon Perfect Ending Leave-In Conditioner. It smells nice. It smells like regular conditioner. It's a leave-in, so it's going to be lighter. I'll try it when next time I wash my hair. Then I got the, what is it? Lots of Color. I think, whatever, LOC. This is from Birchbox. This is their line of makeup. And Tati, she helped curate this collection. It's a beautiful bronzy copper. I like it. This is the, sorry, it's Impress Me in the One and Done Shadow Stick. Oh, and then the last thing I got was Somebody Salt Scrub in Milky Rich. This is what it looks like. I did try it. It was okay. You know, it was gritty like you want, but it wasn't a rough scrub. The after effects of the oil, I didn't feel clean like I guess I'm expecting to feel with a scrub. And maybe this would be nice for people with, you know, eczema, you know, hold on, I don't know, but you know, somebody who has really scaly skin or something, you know, to have the moisturized after shock or whatever after product of it. I didn't like that aspect of it, so I would not repurchase this. Alright, so we're gonna move on to my Ipsy. It's a pretty bag. It's it's like the solar system type of thing, Milky Way. It's cool. Let's see, we'll start with the brush and navy gel eyeliner I got by Beauty Basics. It's a pretty blue. It's not a dark navy. It's more cerulean to me, but so yeah, a nice chunk, you know, for a sample. I don't like the brush, just because the brush doesn't, I don't know, the bristles don't stay together. And when I first tried it, I thought the bristles were too hard, but then I broke it up a little, you know, so it could bend. But I mean, it made a straight line, which was nice when I tried it, but I don't know, it's a subpar brush. Let's see. Ipsy also gave me a perfume. It's a roller ball. It's exotic and spicy by Aromaology. It's not something I would buy myself. It's not bad, but as I put it on earlier, I don't know. Kind of reminds me of something an older woman would wear, a grandma type of thing. But if that's your jam, that's your jam. Let's see. The Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Minerals Facial Scrub. I did like this. You're supposed to spread it over your face. Gradually add water with your fingertips to dissolve the crystals. Oh, it was really nice. See, that's how you start, and you get water, and it was just really nice. I enjoyed it. Has a nice scent to it. Yeah, I'm all about that. Then I got the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Everybody should have got this. Nice big Brussels. Nice big bristles. You know, I felt like it was too much for such a small wand, but they make my eyelash, and it didn't feel like I was putting any product on at all. So this one feels like it's pretty buildable. Let's see, and then I got, this is from ColourPop. This is an eyeshadow in Super Shock. It's a Super Shock shadow in stereo. I think it's a pretty color. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, you definitely got to work it a little bit. You know, top layer, get that off. Oh, that's gorgeous payoff. Oh. And look, I blended it and it was still, oh, look at that. Yeah, okay. So, let's see. Out of both boxes, I was pretty on the matte perfumes. I'm gonna have to go with Ipsy this month. I got the beautiful eyeshadow, the facial scrub, the mascara. I don't care about the perfume, like I said, or the gel liner. It was a nice color, but I didn't care about the brush. So Ipsy, hands down this month. Birchbox, not so much. Yeah. Yeah. So that's the month of November's Ipsy and Birchboxes. Thank you for viewing. If you want to keep up to date, I put videos out every week. Subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked something about this video. Yeah. See you guys next time. Peace.